So hello CMS students, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, please like, share, subscribe. So in this particular video, I will explain and guide you some of the tips to score high marks in upcoming examination. Those who have appeared in the January examinations, even from June attempt also. Let's begin. So we have paper number 8, cost accounting. We have 6 study notes, that is introduction to the cost accounting, that is cost ascertainment, that is elements of cost accounting standards, cost bookkeeping and methods of costing, and then standard cost accounting techniques. So these 6 study notes our institute material in paper number, especially in paper number 8. So I have discussed each and every important topics given in the particular for the important purpose for just revise. This might be helpful for you this attempt also, and next attempt also we got practice more. So more practice in the cost accounting, we get us good marks with exemptions. So some of the students gets also 90 marks in the paper also. So as per the first study note is considered introduction to the cost accounting. Some of the theory questions I will also explain here. First question is evaluation of cost accounting. It is very important for theory purpose. So remember it, evaluation of cost accounting in the study note 1, that is introduction to the cost accounting. So what is the role? Next question is, as per theory questions, is evaluation of cost accounting, and then role of cost accountants in our organization, our role in the how the organizations, how to use our role in to play a vital role in the cost accountings and organizations, how the cost accounting has play a vital role in the cost accounting organizations. So that is very important. So this question is very important. Object evaluation and objectives of cost accounting, and then we have role of cost accounting. These 3 questions important in this particular topic. Next, difference between financial accounting, cost accounting and management accounting. These are next 4 questions. These 4 questions we study, we get at least 2 maximum chances ask the first study note. For the 4 marks question, big questions, theory questions. For the MCQs purposes also, we got this study note is very important for the upcoming study. Understand the upcoming study notes. So responsibility center is very important for the theory question, and also profit center also very important. That is 2 important questions given also. So cost absorption also is very important. Cost reduction versus cost control versus cost reduction, this is also important for this study note, introduction to the cost accounting. These mainly focus on these 5 questions. First one is evaluation of cost accounting, and then also sometimes factors are, what are the factors contribution for the cost accounting factors contribution to the emerging the techniques of the cost accounting to serve the industry. Factors for the new have made accountants to find the new techniques to serve the industry. This study note is very important. At least 6 to 15 marks given in this first study notes. So please more emphasis on this study note for the theory questions, as per the theory questions and MCQs. If you understand this study note, it will be easily for the upcoming topics. Upcoming study notes, it will be easy. So that's all. This concluding this study note. So whenever the relationship between cost accounting, management accounting, just to write this paragraph at least 10 to 15 points enough. No need to write long typing also. So it is very time consuming also in the exam. More practice. So practice your typing skills also. Use Microsoft Word and Notepad, your keyboard, and practice it maybe also. So this is the important questions given here. Next, MCQs also. So some of theory questions in input cost, sunk cost, uniform cost. This is also very important. Differential cost is change in the cost due to change in the one level to another level. So this MCQs, remember it. Differential cost, dash cost is change in the cost due to the change in the activity from one level to another level. So marginal cost is aggregated of variable cost. These are the very important questions, important MCQs also. Next, Next, dash costs are very relevant for consideration of price fixation during the trades recession or which make or buy decision is to be made. Out pocket cost also study. Out pocket for cost also study for the MCQs. Controllable non-controllable cost also study for the MCQs. So uniform cost also is very important for MCQs. Sunk cost, input cost is damn sure maybe asked for lot of previous year examinations questions also. Historical cost also important. So operation cost, operating costing, these historical cost, predetermined cost, standard cost are very important for MCQs. Please read it. This will be asked for MCQs score MCQs purposes. So that is very important. This study note. First theory questions. 5 questions is very important. Evolution and factors of the cost accounting to serve the new cost accounting, new technique of to serve the cost accounting in industry. Next question is cost differentials between cost control and cost reduction is very important. So please read it. And role of cost accountants in organization, this is also very important. What is the relationship between cost accounting and management accounting? Sometimes it has financial accounting, so that is the related type. Make it concern, make it into the concern. That is very important of this study note. So MCQs also read it. What is short type questions? That is 4 marks, 3 marks questions asked. So what is profit center? Very important. Responsibility center also important. So remember it. So please, batch costing is suitable for these MCQs and joint cost suitable for a dash. These MCQs very two important MCQs asked for a lot of previous year examinations also. So more important on that. So one of the next important MCQs is also make into the differential cost is changed due to cost due to the change from one level to another level. That is statement of true or false also very important. So multiple costs is suitable for banking system is also important. So profit resulting two varying factors, sales and variable cost. This statement also very important for asking the true or false statements. So remember it. So please read all MCQs in the institute study material. Most of the questions asked in the institute material in cost accounting score at least just pass those who have trouble for the studying the cost accounting paper. So that's all for this study note. Next we move into the practical aspects of this study note. Practical aspect of this study note and also for the practical purposes asked in the examinations also. This is the practical subject. We move into the study note number, that is cost ascertainment, that is elements of cost. So we have these 4 subtopic, that is material cost, that is standard number 6, standard number cost accounting standard 6, or material cost, direct expenses cost accounting standard 10, employees cost accounting 7, and overhead, that is cost accounting standards for 3. I will zigzag for this study notes. I will repeat again. So material cost accounting standard 6, employees cost accounting standards 7, direct expenses cost accounting standards 10, overheads cost accounting standards number 3. So material cost is very important in this study note. This might be helpful for upcoming these examinations also, for future examinations also. Most of the questions are asked in the repeatedly from the 2 years attempts or 4 years attempts, and then clubbed into one examination. That's it. We need to make into strategy to clear this profession. That's it. Most of the questions asked in the previous examinations questions also. We repeat. So repeat the question, just copy paste, just study and the copy the paste and clear the examination. That's it. No need to worry about this profession. Simple. So as per the this study note is concerned, we discussed the important theory questions is request is a material control cost accounting system. This question is very important. What is the difference between merits and demerits of centralized and decentralized of purchase organizations is very important. So purchase organization study is very important. This might be very important for the theory questions also. So bill of material, lot of previous examinations questions asked. So bill of material is very important. So these are my only predictions. I researched all the previous year question papers, I suggested answers, mock test papers, and then postal test papers also. So that's why my emphasis on this study note. So this is not exactly coming to the examination point of view. So that is very important. So please remember it. So this is my only research is concerned as per my opinion for the decision I take in the previous year examination concern. So please just only refer this video for for the purpose of the examination. Just refer. Maybe there will be maybe chances for the asking different types of questions from up to down. Only this is questions for prediction. So let's come to the point here. So bill of material is very important in this particular topic for theory questions also. So next, as per the practical problems, the lot concern here, this study note is very concerned with the practical problem. So economic order quantity, damn sure you must ask for 2 marks or practical full marks also. Practical problems also mainly given these practical form. First, at least this economic order quantity is damn sure. So remember, please refer to this. So next questions, very important. Duties of storekeeper. Duties of storekeeper is very important for the examination point of view, for the theory questions also. So this question, what different types of class of central stores, decentralized sub-store or impress store? These are the important questions for MCQs also. For match the follow also asked. Match the following also asked. So remember it. Next two theory questions to study we have. So example, what is the danger level asked for the theory question? A lot of couple of examinations items given in the question here. What is the danger level? Ask the questions. Important. So bin code also important for the MCQs also as per theory question also. So next, difference between bin code and store ledger. So mainly damn sure this difference between lot of differences questions. In the previous study note, we have financial accounting versus the cost account difference. That question is differential between that type of question asked. So next, in this study note, difference between bin code and stores ledger. These are the two difference between the bin code and stores asked the question. Also in the recent exam result released by online exam practical papers also given in this question. Bin code versus stores ledger. What is the difference between bin code and stores ledger? This is very important. So now these ABC analysis is very important for the perpetual. And then very important question, perpetual inventory system is very important. Perpetual inventory system also very important. No need to write this long paragraph. At least make this 6 to 10 lines enough for the theory questions, and type also that you will get for maximum marks. So institute also suggested that no need to type. This is very time consuming. Students also concerned for the students eligibility use pressure also in the exam pressure also. No need to just type at least 10 to 15 points. Suppose this question is theory question, we have lot of paragraph here. No need to write. Just main at least suppose we have here perpetual inventory system. Perpetual inventory system may be defined as a system may be recorded as maintenance for controlling the department. So that's enough. That make it to one line. So it's reflects the physical movements of stocks from the current balance. That's it. And just make it like operation of perpetual, and then 5 was enough. Clear. You get a full marks. So next into the ABC analysis, periodical statement. Remember it. Theory questions like this we write. Make into the paragraph. At least clubbed. Make 1 or 2, 3 lines. That's enough. Just write it. We get definitely sure we get 6 exemption and good marks, maybe good marks. Maybe ABC analysis also very important. So just in time, this very important. Just in time is very damn sure. We write this very important. Advantages of just in system is as follows, very important. So WED analysis also asked this important. This topic is very important. Inventory order. So WED vital, essential and desirable. This question also we asked some previous examinations also. So the just in time is there may be lot of 88, 60. Whenever the question is C by examiner, they ask just in time. So remember, study the just in time is very important. So advantages of LIFO-FIFO method also given for the MCQs are also. So moving of the simple average price method also given. Mainly focus on these theory questions. I repeat again. First question, we got objectives of material accounting. Why I am studying? Why this study note I am studying? Why I am studying the material cost accounting? So objectives of material control system is very important. Just write it headlines. Headlines is very important. Just 4 to 5 headlines. Make it to the headlines. No, institute examiner did not study the long paragraph. So just study how the student ability for this topic. That's it. Objectives of control, the elements of material control. So this is very important questions in this bill of material. Difference between economic order quantity. What is the assumptions of economic order quantity? 60 to 80% whenever this study note ask these questions, maybe chances there. Economic order quantity, bill of material, difference between stores ledger and bin card versus stores ledger, and then just in time and duties of stores keeper. These mainly focus on these study questions, mainly focus on these type of questions. So danger level also we make it to the concern. So that's all this question. So as per my next theory questions is concerned, as practical problems is concerned, make sure you get economic order quantity, and then LIFO-FIFO method is compulsory. LIFO method, ask the LIFO-FIFO method, find out the stores ledger account in the form of LIFO-FIFO method, simple average method, weighted average method. So that's all this question. So next year sometimes scrap control, how to control the scrap also study. Scrap study also important. Waste and abnormal loss of material. These are the maybe two important questions. On this question, read the economic order quantity. So economic order quantity, illustration number 16 of this material cost is also make into the concern. This will be lot of examinations mainly focus on this question. So please refer this question, refer this illustration number 16. So next question, illustration number 16. So and also illustration 20 also important of this study note, material costing. So material cost, remember it. So that's all we conclude this question. So next as per the institute given the practical problems is concerned. So a cost of iron for question number, illustration number 22, also refer this, important also. So and also illustration 20 and 22 is very important. This practical illustration is very important of this particular topic. Next multiple choice questions is concerned. So which of the following is considered as normal loss of material is loss due to the careless of handling of material. Loss due to the careless of handling material. These are the very so bin card is not a part of accounting records. Is for a true statement. This statement this may be important. Slow moving material having high turnover ratio false. This statement also given a lot of times. So that's why production strategy just in time. This is damn sure. Analysis of methods of MCQ. We read these MCQs, maybe chances of practical also. Stores ledger kept maintained by cost office, that is cost department. Goods received note prepared by receiving department. This is too important. Dash discount is important. Quantity discount or trade discount is discount allowed by the bulk purchases. So these are the very important MCQs. Read MCQs mostly from the institute study material, and also institute given the MCQs bid questions. So that's all the practical questions, theory questions, and MCQs of important this study note. So next move into the employees cost is 7. So employees cost is concerned, we have important theory questions is concerned payroll department, principles of measurement of employees cost, principles and measurement of employee. This question, how the principles of measurement as per the cost accounting standards is concerned. Cost accounting is concerned. So how your employee is measurement. So right, is no need to write a lot of 10 points, at least maybe 6 points. So employee principles of measurement of employees cost is very important. Payroll department also is very important. So timekeeping and payroll important. So essentials of good timekeeping is also very important of this study note. So here next important, job evaluation. This is very important. Lot of theory questions asked. Job evaluation also. So differences between merit rating and job rating. So mainly focus on differences between job rating and maybe chances to get a scoring. So what is the payroll department? What is important? What is the payroll department here? Payroll department is very important for theory questions is concerned. So ideal time asked for also theory important. The big questions are all theory questions. So as per the goodness. So practical concern is Taylor differential piece rate system is very important. Taylor differential piece rate system is very important. Taylor differential piece rate system is very important. So that's all these theory questions. So labor turnover is very important for theory questions also. So the illustration number 5 is very important for the practical purpose also. So management of XY Limited is worried about the increasing labor turnover in the factory, and before analyzing the causes of taking the remedial steps, they wanted to have an idea of how the profit forgone as a result of labor turnover during the last year. So this question is, I just referred this question for the illustration for the exam here point. So illustration number 5 also important. So next important practical problem C is here. So 10-man work as a 16. Illustration 16 also very important. Illustration 17 also important. Illustration 18. Whenever asked the practical problems in this labor cost given in the problem examination, so mainly focus on these problems. So that is illustration number 22 also is important problem. Two workmen Vishnu and Shiva was giving the product. It is very important. So that is important problems here. All important problems here. So MCQs refer the each study note behind the given the institute study material. So direct expenses is damn sure one question is compulsory. So measurement of direct expenses is very damn sure compulsory question is it. I blindly said measurement of whenever direct expenses is given. So maybe these chances of direct expenses fun to study note this simple 2 to 3 pages refer we get 5 marks, at least 6 to 5 marks is given. So as per the overheads is concerned, is very important and big problems we mainly concern on this overheads. No need to given theory questions not ask the problem this particular sub study note. Mainly focus on practical problems. Mainly focus on practical problems given only on practical problems. So simultaneous step distribution method, direct methods of secondary distribution. Very important. Simultaneous equation method is very important. So this question as per the primary distribution time of is referred. This is very important. This question is given in the last 2019 and 20 practical problems examination point of view. So this is the main question. They mainly focus on the economic causes or production causes for theory questions. So that's all this question. And the illustration number 4 asks sometimes overhead incur overhead the question illustrations behind. So in engineering factory the following particulars have been extra for the quarter ended 31st December 20 computed the financial overhead rate was given. So that is new enterprises very important. This question is very important. Illustration number 6 in the overheads must practice. Illustration number 6 is very important. That's all this question, this study overhead mission hour rate compulsory. We need to practice mission override. That is very compulsory. Whenever I ask this override, mission override compulsory ask a question. Mission hour is very important to ask this question. So AT Limited Engineering Co have 25 different types of automatic missions furnishing the following data for the year. That is refer this question. MCQs also. This question is very important. Ganges Printing Co asked a very important question. A company produces a simple product of in three sizes A and B, C. Prepare the statement showing the selling and distribution. Very important. Selling and distribution. That's it. These are the very important questions. Mission hour rate is compulsory. We need to refer this. So important question in MCQs also previously asked this question. Absorption means direct remuneration expense is part of administration overhead. Refer this question. So that's all. This study note number 2 important here. So cost accounting standard is very must study for the MCQs. So objectives of theory question is objectives and functions of the cost accounting standards board. Standard board is very important. That is the theory, ask theory questions. Now and that's only here given. Maybe chances what is the cost accounting standard for capacity determination, production and overheads for theory question. Scope of just two lines given and that's it enough. Scope of objectives, name the reschedule count given in the problem. So pollution control cost is cost accounting standard number 14, joint cost 19. This very important. Remember joint cost is 19. Most of the questions asked cost accounting standards asked for MCQs and in bits also. Direct expenses 10, research and development cost. So please 24 study notes we have in the cost accounting standard must prepare for damn sure at least 2 to 3 marks we can score it. So cost accounting standards of joint cost is true. So true or false statement may be useful for true or false statement is also concerned. So study note number 4, cost bookkeeping. So this is very important also for the paper is this study note is concerned. Maintain cost specify of the cost sheet. So cost sheet we need to improve. Cost accounting standard is important. So cost sheet is very important. You need to practice here. Cost sheet maybe illustration number 2 is very important. And the next question, PR Limited manufacturing sells a typical brand of tiffin boxes under its own brand name. So illustration number 5 of the cost bookkeeping are important. So next 6th also, the 6th and 5th is very important for the cost bookkeeping of practical problems is concerned of this topic board. So theory apportionation of profit for theory questions ask for the question. Apportion of profits is very concerned. This study note purely financial income, non-integral integral accounting. What are the non-integral? So principles of books of accounting for theory questions. Just theory questions. If you understand the concept, you need to read the right questions. Next question. So illustration number 11 is morely concern of institute, merely concern for practical problem is concerned. Concern advantages of disadvantages. Never forget the theory questions. Whatever topic is mainly for advantages or disadvantages of topic is mainly concern for theory questions also. Please refer that. Not only this attempt, also for previous attempts also. So illustration number 14 of this topic, net profits shown by financial accounts of company's account for 1850 is with the profit disclosure cost account 28. That is very important. Transistor illustration 17 also is important for this practical purpose. So memorandum of reconciliation statement also important. So next 4.6 infrastructure, healthcare and educational sector, port service. So port services and healthcare sector for theory questions also ask the question. So theory questions is very important. Support sector mainly asked for theory question. Support sectors in India is divided into major ports, non-major ports, which are under the jurisdiction of central government and state government respectively. Legal framework, governance, solution. So like this, we tariffs and authority of the ports and write this question. That is enough. So that is port sector for important for theory questions. So no need to explain elaborately in this particular video. Just conclude this study note of this paper. Study note number 4 is concerned. That is the very important practical problems. Mainly focus on this study note is cost accounting standard. Sorry, cost bookkeeping is mainly focus on cost sheet only, and then theory questions also. So next very important methods of costing is, what is the difference between job costing and batch costing for theory questions. So what next, show the specifying of that is advantages of job costing and limitations of job costing. Very important theory questions. Just study whatever topic is advantages and disadvantages of job cost and cost sheet is very important. That's it. This question, theory questions is concerned mainly for that. Question. So economic batch quantity is very important in the important problem. Economic batch quantity is very important here in this methods of costing. Job economic batch quantity is very important. So very important big topic here in this study note is contract costing is very important, and also mainly focus on theory questions and also question what is the difference between, I damn should differences between whatever topic is, differences and disadvantages and advantages and disadvantages must study. Definitely at least group it. 10 to 15 questions are there in this study note. Mainly focus on scoring at least 6 to 10 marks, maybe different types of maybe 15 when the pattern is concerned. So you must study differences between job costing, contract costing, differences between job bin code and source ledger. Like this, differences and advantages of bin code, and what are the differences between batch costing and process costing. Maybe chances like this we study the advantages of disadvantages, differences questions, differences for the study as per study note is concerned. What is the difference between cost accounting and financial accounting versus cost accounting, management accounting versus cost accounting. Like this, whatever topic is, differences and advantages and disadvantages must show, damn sure we must prepare. No excuse for on that, because it is damn sure number of questions given in that question, theory questions definitely asked. You must study, damn sure. That's it. So next is 5.3, that is contract costing is in the methods of costing here. Very important here. This practical mainly focus on this mainly practical problems. So prepare institute material. Mainly focus on this, maybe at least 22 and previous year examinations contract costing practical illustrations. Damn sure maybe skip one problem to another problem. Should be prepared for this contract problems. Contract costing is damn sure given, so we need to prepare on that. Each atom, every atom is called either December or June or June 22, June 24, June to December 24. Whatever the atom is, damn sure contract costing is definitely must and should. Must given. We need to practice, that's it. Next, process costing, joint and byproducts. This question is very important. So in this theory question is very important. Abnormal gain, equivalent production. So how to calculate calculation of equivalent production is very important, this question. So I again repeat the job costing versus process costing. Differences between. Very remember, there is 12 points here. At least try to make it 5 points as per your remember on the examination standpoint of view. At least 5 to 6 points enough for scoring. So as per the formulas, we need to prepare, refer that. So average method, lot of times ask these theory questions. Sometimes we get a choice, that is very important. Practical problems, damn sure this given. This is morely practical purpose also given in the last part of this papers. Exam question paper, last part of the examination question. So again, joint products and co-products, very important. Meaning of joint products. In several industries, more than one product is emergent from manufacturing process. These products are sometimes intentionally in some rare cases. So very important. Remember, I will damn sure I already mentioned that. So differences between main products and joint products. We need to refer to institute study material and write down and practice these questions and make it into the sortable way, and then practice and then study. We practice, and then we remember. It will be assumed automatically your experience that is not expressing at the moment. We need to practice yourself. Difference, I will guide you just only differences between main product and joint and byproducts. Very important. Value and manufacturing objective. That's it. So practical, we need to practice this. Very important. Concept, whenever you understand the concept, costing may be easy going, and understand the concept here. Be patient and study and practice enough. Continuously, first 3 days we study theory, either first attempt or first time study or revision, whatever you have. So revision is very 3 days we cover theory almost continuously, one subject enough. Costing will be clear. 3 to 4 days continuously we study one paper, morning to evening, depends upon your time shifting. That's enough. 6 study note. Understand the concept and practice more practical problem. Practice, you get to make into the perfection. That's it. Simple. No need to worry about it. So operating costing also important, mainly for practical problems is given, but short answer type questions. So illustration number 46 is very important. Transport service company running buses, very important. So maintain that. So again, the significance of operating or running cost for theory question also. Okay, next question, Janath Hospital question. This illustration number 53 refers that. Please refer that. Sometimes some previous examinations ask Janath Hospital runs critical core. Just change the name, change the first name, and then amount change, but matter will be same. So that is very important. Hospital costing is concerned. Illustration number 53. Please refer that. Change the name. Just Janath Hospital runs. Change the instead of Janath, change the another name in the institute material, institute question paper given in the examination question paper. That's it. So that is the very important MCQ multiple choice question. Please refer the institute study material or practical institute. Just mostly given in the institute material only. No, that's if you understand the concept. If you understand the concept, what is this concept? What is that concept? So we club that concept into your mind and mix your understand the concept in your mind, that you are easily calculate MCQs, whatever difficulty exam MCQs here. Concept, in-depth concept understanding is very important to costing to score 1895 marks. So a lot of students depends upon your understanding capability. So understandable capability make into the efficiency, improve your efficiency understanding. So make into the efficiency understanding. So that's all the study note number methods of costing. I hope you understand so far. So last part we conclude this video. So cost accounting techniques, very important. So features of marginal costing, law theory ST question is concerned. Next absorption costing is concerned. So I will ask again. So I will repeat again. Differences between absorption and marginal costing. Very important. Differences and disadvantages. Damn sure. At least maybe 1 or 2 questions given. in the examination, each atom, every atom in our examinations. Differences between profit and the margin, that we refer the damn sure big headlines in the institute. Difference in profit under marginal absorption, very important. So differential cost analysis, very important. The differential cost analysis and marginal cost similarity difference, they very ask theory questions. So PV ratio, break even point, very important. So limitation of break even analysis. So these are the very important theory questions. At least 50 questions we study, we definitely score 20-30 marks. Remember, 50 questions, theory questions must study in the, especially cost accounting standards, cost accounting paper is concerned. 50 questions, the differences, the advantages of disadvantages, and then relationships between one topic to another topic. So like this we study. So it says variable cost illustrates sports material manufacturing company. Remember, important maybe are differences. Cost accounting techniques is mainly focused on practical, practicals for short answers. We need to remember formulas, and then it will be easy. PV ratio, break even point, and determination of profit and loss in different conditions. It's a lot of practical based on formulas. Please refer it. And then standard costing. So practice these MCQ practical illustration of this marginal costing. It is useful. So that is very important here. So budget and standard control. Types of stock evaluation, very important. Stock valuation is very important in this theory question. So again, that advantages of disadvantages. Damn sure we need to prepare advantages of standard costing. So difference between standard costing and budgetary control. Every topic we need to write at least try to maximum 30 questions if you are capable. So next, causes of direct labor turnover. A lot of times ask this theory question. Skip this question, one attempt to another question. Maybe chances there. Next important is mainly focus on practical problems. Standard costing is very actual data, standard data, practical problem. Illustration number 2 is very important. So that's it. Important theory questions is that's it. So MCQs is mainly for illustration 13, 14 and then 15, 15 and then 9 and 6. These MCQs, choose the correct answers, may be important. Last budget and budgetary control, we finished the conclude the study note. So the features of budget, there is very theory questions. So, okay, out preparation elements, essential elements of budget, simple following the reference. What are the factors considered as sales budget? It's asked us a lot of times factors to be considered in preparing sales budget. As per theory questions is concerned. Objectives and advantages production budget. Lot of the again very important this question in this study note. Fixed budget and rigid budget. We got difference between fixed budget and flexible budget. Damn sure, definitely. Principal budget factor, lot of also asked the question. Master budget also very important. The zero budget response. These study note mainly focus on theory questions, short type questions, 4 marks, 5 marks, the type of questions given. Specifically justify zero based budget is recently added. So please remember, performance budget is a lot of times asked. So budget, as per this budget and budgetary control is concerned like this. So that is important also. So practical problems, we need to refer the institute study material. Practice, more practice. If any practical doubts, ask me. So that's all. If you like it, my assumptions, my predictions of the questions. I will a lot of time to research these questions. Refer to the previous questions here also. Previous terms question papers, mock test papers, Boston test papers, and lot of other teachers also gather for reference. A lot of teachers also refers to the institute study material also. They need to find out new things. They don't need to find out new things and update you. Mainly focus on institute study material. Just mixing, just change the attraction and then earn money. That's it. Only refer to the institute study material. That's enough. So practice, more practice. In the previous year, a lot of institute resources available for download from institute website also. Well, that is in 2019 question they asked that what is just-in-time state stored main definite, what is the performance budgeting, and describe the main concept. Last of theory questions. What is the flexible prepare flexible budget? So 50%, 70%, that question is very important. Golden transport route kilometer. Calculation the bus fare to be charged from each person. So like this we study this cost accounting. So Omega Limited undertook a contract of 5 lakhs in 5 lakhs of first general contract as per the prepared contract account. Refer this. Practice more practical problems given repeatedly from the previous year examinations, mock test papers. Download from the institute website. Resources are gathered. The damn should blindly, I will tell. Contract costing, Omega repeatedly ask you the questions. Practice, more practice. Institute study material, institute material. So previous examination question, they update the correct answers. So need to practice that. So that's all. If you like it to these predictions, understanding my guidance of the cost account, how to study, understand. Please like, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.